There you go. Go, Morgan, go. Go, Morgan, go. You're standing up tall. Stand up tall. Stand up tall. Can you stand up tall? Say mommy. Say hey mommy. Too late, mommy. I gotta go. I got work to do. We just wanted to know that she's working hard. Wanted you to know that she's working hard and she misses you. And we all love you and Megan very much. And we're keeping on praying.